morning, students. Today we are going to learn the new chapter Tux Paint. Now children, welcome back to Tux Paint. I'm sure you remember Tux Paint and all that we have learned in the previous classes. We are going to have a quick review of the tools we have learned till now. We have already learned how to use the paint freehand drawing tool along with a variety of brush shapes, line tools to draw beautiful patterns, and also tried our hands at some magical effects using the magic tool. Here we are going to learn more about Tux Paint and its wonderful tools. So today we are going to learn about Shapes tool. Now what is Shapes tool? Shapes tool is used to draw various filled and unfilled polygon shapes. The unique features of this tool is rotation. We also rotate the shapes by any angle on a 360-degree scale. Let's learn how to sketch and illustrate various shapes using this tool. Now, first of all, select the Shapes tool from the toolbox. Select Square from the sub-toolbox on the right-hand side, as you see here. You can either choose a blank square or a filled square. Now see here, this is blank one and this is filled one. Bring the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Select a pointer on the drawing area which will act as the center of the square. Now click and drag the mouse, choose the preferred size and release the left mouse button when you have completed the square. Read the commands given by the penguin. Now when you have completed your work, click in the drawing area to see the final images. Let us draw 4 different square shapes at various angles. Similarly, try your hand with other shapes as well. Now you can see the different angle shapes. Now what is eraser tool? It is used to erase unwanted parts of the picture. It is very simple to use. Select the Erase tool from the toolbox. Select the desired shape of eraser from the sub-toolbox. Bring the mouse pointer in the drawing area. Click the left mouse button and draw the eraser to the area which you want to remove. Now here you can see all the options are given. Now New tool. It is sure that we cannot work in a single file forever. We always make different files for different drawings. Once you save your previous work, you can open a new file using the New tool from the toolbox. Let's learn how to create a new file. Now first of all, click on New tool in the toolbox. You will get color boxes and splitters to start a new drawing. Click on the down arrow button. Select any color or any of the frames. Click an open button and select the green color box. After you click on open box button, you will find a blank screen with an orange drawing color. Now you can draw anything in the drawing area. Since your canvas is orange, you must use light colors like white, yellow, green or pink. Let's try our hand and create some more magical effects. Drip magic. Now what's drip magic? What happens when you sprinkle drops of water on a drawing made with a sketch pen or a letter which is written? Using ink pen, the ink colors will scatter and drip away like water. Similarly, this magic subtool gives dripping effects to the drawing. Now, first of all, open a new file in TuxPaint, select orange background, select the text tool and write the following text: Good morning, friends. Now select the magic tool and select drip effect from the sub toolbox. Drag the magic wand over the text to add dripping effect to it. See how the text changes after the drip effect. Now edges effect. It is one of a unique feature of TuxPaint. We can make a distinction in the edges from an already drawing image. Let's see how it works. Now first of all, click on the Shapes tool and select any fill shape from the subtool box. Select the Magic tool and choose Edges from the subtool box, and using your magic wand, click and drag it over the entire picture. You will see that the edges of the shape starts appearing. Now form effect and grass effect and rainbow real rainbow effect. Form effect. You must have noticed your mother washing your clothes. Whenever she adds washing powder to the water, you can see a lot of foam. In the same way, this tool adds form effect whenever you want. Grass effect. To draw grass, you can use the grass effect from the subtool box to draw near and tidy grass. Neat and tidy grass. Open a new file with white background. Select the paint tool. Choose blue color and draw a river. On your right side, scroll down till the end and select a vine shape from the subtool box. Draw the upper part of a tree using vine tool at the right of your screen. To make it more beautiful, you can select various colors and keep clicking to the give a better look. Now select the magic tool and select grass effect. Draw grass at the river bed side. Now similarly you can use many brushes, shapes and magic effects to draw beautiful pictures. Now what is rainbow and real rainbow effect? Rainbow effect produces a trail of rainbow colors as you drag the magic wand on the drawing area. A real rainbow allows you to draw a rainbow that we see in the sky after a rainfall. Now first of all, select magic tool from the toolbox and rainbow effect from the subtool box. Now place your magic wand everywhere in the drawing area and drag it to some other point. You will see a trail of rainbow colors as you draw. Click on undo box. Now noise effect. Noise effect is used to include white noise in our drawing. Often while watching television, the TV signal suddenly disappears and you see a thousand of black and gray dots on your screen with some noise. That is called black noise, while noise is a mixture of gray, blue, maroon and white dots. Smudge effect. Smudge effect is used when we draw water bodies in our drawing. It's used to mix two different objects smoothly. Let's draw a yellow ball and a green octane close to each other. Assume that we have drawn them using wet paint. Now use the smudge effect to show how the octagons will look if we join them from one end and form a new color. Waves effect. This effect is used to wiggle any picture side to side. Horizontal. To use this effect, first of all, open a new file with pink background. Select the paint tool and draw a filled curved structure. Now select magic tool and then select the waves effect from the subtool box. Now click on the screen to get the desired waves effect. Now wavelets effect. The wavelets effect wiggles your picture up and down vertical rather than side to side horizontal. Let's apply this effect to our picture. Now click on the wavelets effect. Read the instructions given by the penguin. Click on the top of the drawing area to add shorter waves to your drawing. Now you save your work. So this was the Tux Paint and different shape tools and other tools we have studied. Now this is the wrap up of your chapter. The Tux Paint is a free of cost drawing programs exclusive available for children. Tux Paint has a very engaging interference comprising of funny sounds, effects, and cartoon penguin that assist to learn more about various tools and subtools. Now, children, now fill-ups I have done for you and other exercises. Now, question answers you will do, and along with question answers, you will also, I have given you. Now, see here some of the exercise I have solved for you, and after that, I have also given you worksheet which you will be solving it for yourself and the activity prepared so that you will read the chapter carefully and solve your this exercise as well as your worksheet for your practice. Good day.